This is what my mommy vans look like right now. Well, my mommy van of Mama 5 van look like. And I gotta get clean this out. Don't mind this food right here because I just fed my child some McDonald's and he only can eat chicken nuggets right now, some fries, and he left it there. These kids, I gotta teach these kids to throw their stuff away. We just got them out of school. They always want to leave their backpacks in the car and they binders. They take everything out. Why my children do this? But I know I'm not the only parent that they'll go through this, but I'm gonna go ahead and clean this car out and then go vacuum this car out so it can be back right and tidy before it rains because it's getting dark out here. Guess what, y'all? So it's raining out here. I ain't gonna be able to vacuum my car because when it rains they cut off the vacuum machine, but what I can do is still clean up. It ain't gonna stop me from cleaning up in here. So that's what I'm gonna do. That's what I'm doing now. Throwing away this stuff. Yesterday I had an amazing birthday yesterday. Today is Tuesday the 19th, and thanks to my husband for making our night happen. He purchased some tickets for us and we had a blast yesterday. The kids said they want to do it again and we gonna most definitely do it again. We ain't been to the movie theaters in so freaking long, but due to this pandemic we be stuck in the house. We need to go to the grocery store and come back home. We did go on a trip a while back around Thanksgiving. That's about it, but we really don't go nowhere. So this time we are planning more trips. We're gonna get out the house. The pandemic can't stop us from being cooped up, but we will take precautions of wearing our masks. With that being said, the kids enjoyed themselves. The kids didn't even go to sleep at all. They stayed up the whole entire time. And so we definitely got our $70-some. Well, actually, you might as well say $100 because I bought some snacks. I bought popcorn and the tickets itself was like $6.50, even though it was on a discounted day. On Tuesdays are discounted days. So we might as well say like over like $120 for a family night, a movie night at the movie theaters, or we could do a free one here and we just pay for a movie. I'm thinking about doing another movie night with the kids here at the house. They want to watch this one movie called Enchanted or Canted or something like that. It's a Disney movie and you only can get it on Disney Plus. So I'm thinking about just go ahead and purchasing it and let them have a movie night at home. That's cheaper than buying regular tickets. But they got an experience of going to the movie theaters. They've been before when they was little, but they don't remember. They said, Mom, I don't remember going. They went when it was real little. The other 3 kids was like 5 and the youngest set of twins was like toddlers, so they not gonna remember. But and plus they changed everything in the theater. They got recliner chairs and those chairs was so comfortable. I said we definitely going back and do that again, okay, and have another family day and go out to eat and enjoy ourselves. We deserve to treat our family either once a month or every other month. You know what I'm saying? If you can't afford to do it every month or every 2 weeks or whatever the case would be, every time you get paid, at least once a month would be good. Mark that day, January 18th, 2022, as the best day and the best night of my entire life, literally. So it's like I want to relive the moment all over again. But I'm up here talking y'all head off real quick. I need to be cleaning up this car because it's about to throw down out here. It's already raining. I gotta wipe these windows out. So let me go ahead and do that and I'll holler at you later. It's thundering and lightning out here. Girl, I'm about to go in this house right now. I ain't gonna be out here. Let me hurry up and get the rest of this crap back here. Girl. Woo, Lord's doing his work today.
Many hours later.
Okay, y'all, we back. It stopped raining. I do want to do another special shout out to my motherfucking bestie, excuse my language, to my best friends on these YouTube streets and in the real world. Shout out to my girl Felicia's Way. Thank you for everything you've done for me since I met you. When I said our friendship is real genuine since day one. Look, she calling me now. Since day one, honestly can say that you are truly a friend, because you ain't out here telling my business and I'm not out here telling your business. And thank you for my gift. I really do appreciate you from the bottom and the top of my heart. Thank you. I love you. And thank you for being a true friend. And my kids love her. They'll be like, hey, Biffawita. But anyway, I'm gonna continue to clean out this car since it started raining. And I will chat with y'all in a bit. Shout out to everyone that gave me a birthday wish to tell me a happy birthday on my birthday. Thank you. I really appreciate y'all. Shout out to the ones that did give, and shout out to the ones that didn't give and they just shared your girl and liked this video. Okay, share your girl out, girl. I'm trying to grow. All right.
I got blessings falling on me. I got weapons, need no army. Stat like Tetris, you don't know me. Stat my fatty, you don't know me. Okay, hey now, it's a new kid on the playground. So many bags on me, you would've thought I was a spray ground. Now they know I don't play around. I can hear what you're saying now. I just doubled up my flight miles. Coast to coast, no they ain't in town. I get rich, watch, then I get a sick watch. Watch me hit the top, I might make a TikTok.